Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for clicking in, and if you're already a family member, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on that red button to subscribe, and also put on your notification bell so that you always know each time I upload a new video. If you love my video, give it a huge thumbs up, because thumbs up helps my video to be noticed by other viewers on YouTube. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can prepare your deep conditioner with these 4 items: cloves, fenugreek, henna, and avocado. These 4 items contains a lot of vitamins which are beneficial for our hair, and these vitamins help to improve your hair growth. It stops dandruff, it stops hair shedding, it improves shine on your hair, and also nourish your hair. But before we move on to preparing this deep conditioner, I would like to share few things that I would like you to know before preparing this deep conditioner. And the first thing is about fenugreek. When using fenugreek for your hair, whether you want to prepare hair mask or deep conditioner for your hair, always use a little amount of fenugreek, because fenugreek increase so much in water. So while using fenugreek to prepare a hair mask or hair conditioner, make sure you use a little amount of fenugreek to avoid having an excess fenugreek. Bear it in mind that while you are preparing this hair mask, the water that you got from boiling the fenugreek and the clove might not be enough. So you might choose to soak few fenugreek in the water a day before you start preparing your deep conditioner. In case if the water that you got from boiling the fenugreek and cloves wasn't enough to prepare the deep conditioner, you can get the water you soak a day before the preparation. I hope you got me. Okay, so right now we have to move to the video so that I will show you guys how I prepare this powerful deep conditioner for my hair. So here are all the items that I'll be using in preparing this deep conditioner. The first one is cloves. Cloves promote hair growth, it adds shine to your hair, it treats dandruff, it prevents premature growing of hair, it reduces hair loss, it cleans and soothes your scalp. The next one is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron and protein. The mucilate content replenishes the hair and provides smoothness, allowing us to detangle our hair easily post every wash. Avocado is a great source of biotin. It contains healthy fats and helps nourish your hair. Avocado promotes stronger hair follicles. It promotes healthy hair and scalp. It reduces breakage and increases moisture in the hair. It helps your hair look smooth and shiny. Next is grapeseed oil. You can choose any oil of your choice. Okay, and another thing that we'll be adding to this is essential oil. I selected 3 essential oil, which is lemongrass, rosemary, and cinnamon essential oil. The final item on our list is henna. Henna has antifungal and antimicrobial properties that cool and soothe your scalp. So right now, let's start to prepare the deep conditioner. First, put a pot on a heat, add few cups of water and allow it to boil. Then add your cloves and your fenugreek into the pot. Cover the pot and allow it to boil at least 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, here I keep adding more water into the paste, and the more I add water to it, the more it increases and gets thicker. So as you blend, you check the consistency. If it is so thick, you add more water to it to blend until you get the consistency that you need. Okay, this is the reason why I said you should soak a little cloves a day before you start this preparation, or 2 days before you start this preparation. Okay, so even though I keep adding water to it, it keep getting thicker, and I got tired of adding water into the paste. So I decided to, yeah, this is enough. I like this consistency, let me use this. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit on that red button to subscribe, and if you love this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. So today guys, I will not be showing you all how I put this deep conditioner on my hair. I have a lot of videos on my channel that shows you how I apply DIY deep conditioner on my hair, so you can check out all those videos. Okay, and I also have another video on my channel on cloves, on how you can use clove to grow your hair. I'll put the link on the description box, please also check it out. Right now I will turn the paste into a plastic bowl because it's more easier for me to handle the plastic bowl than the breakable plate. Then I will add all the essential oils to it and turn it properly to make sure that everything mixed together, and I'll proceed to applying it on my hair. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? What are you still waiting for? Please feel free to drop your comments on the comment section. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. I would love to see you next time on my next video. Bye bye. I love you.